Hello gorgeous, today is another hair video and today I am putting avocado oil to the test. I have actually never used avocado oil in my hair and I thought I would try applying it to my hair for 24 hours and seeing the results. My hair is definitely in need of a glow up, it's in need of some treatment, so I thought this would be the perfect oil to put to the test. So with that being said, let's just get right into the video. As you can see, my hair just kind of looks dull. There's not much shine to it. It's really dry as well. And I've been also really struggling with frizz when it comes to my hair. So I'm really hoping that avocado oil will help with that. All I did first, of course, is just brushed my hair through because before even jumping in the shower or applying anything to my hair, I like to take the knots out. You're just going to see less fallout. And I always like to use a wet brush. I find that's a lot more gentle on the hair and pulls a lot less hair out, which is what we want. So I am just starting brushing my hair from the bottom and then I'll bring it all the way to the top. And once my hair is fully brushed, now I am going to go in with my avocado oil. I will link down below the avocado oil that I am using or a similar one, so if you guys want to pick it up. Avocado oil has so many benefits, so I totally recommend picking it up. Even for cooking, it is an oil that I tend to go for sometimes. But the reason why I really wanted to put avocado oil to the test is because the fat content, antioxidant, anti-inflammatory properties, and minerals make it a great ingredient for the hair. It is said to really help tame frizz while promoting growth, shine, and the oil is just really rich in biotin, fatty acids, minerals, antioxidants, and vitamins including A, B5, and E. So it really is going to help moisturize, repair, and strengthen the hair, and also seal the cuticle cells, which can prevent hair from breaking. And I definitely have a little bit of split ends on my hair, so I'm really hoping that it helps with that. But before applying the avocado oil, it's always important to do a patch skin test because there are people that are allergic to avocado. So you want to make sure you just do a little test. But I just went ahead and applied it all over my hair, starting from the bottoms and then bringing it up to the top where my scalp is. And when I evenly apply it into my hair, I like to give myself a little massage. So I'll massage my scalp for a few minutes. It really helps to stimulate hair growth and really helps stimulate the blood flow. But I really like the avocado oil because it is a very lightweight oil. Some of the oils that I've tried in these videos have been really thick and hard to apply, but it's very easy to apply this oil into your hair and easy to apply it evenly. So once it was applied all over my hair, I just took a little comb and just brushed it gently to make sure that it is evenly applied all throughout my hair, and just threw my hair up into a bun, and of course put a shower cap on. And I went ahead and went on with my day, slept with this until the next day. Make sure when you put a shower cap, it's going to stay because you don't want it to fall off when you're sleeping because the oil will stain your sheets. But now this is 24 hours later and this is what my hair looks like after having the oil in my hair for 24 hours. Of course, it is super greasy and I'm so ready to get this out of my hair. This is also how my scalp is looking with the oil in my hair for 24 hours. Another thing I forgot to mention is avocado oil is said to be really good for UV protection because it does contain vitamin E, which can actually reverse and heal damage done by sun rays. And vitamin E in general really helps with hair repair and protection. So that's really great, especially because now that the warmer weather is coming and summer is coming, this is said to be a really good oil for that. This is also how my ends are looking after having the oil in for so long. This is the shampoo and conditioner that I will be using to remove the avocado oil out of my hair. So I'm just using the Matrix Biolage Anti-Dandruff Shampoo and the conditioner that matches. I will link it down below for you guys, but if you struggle with a dry, itchy scalp or dandruff, trust me, you need to try this. This has really been a lifesaver for me, and I've been talking about this shampoo and conditioner set for years now, and I swear by it. Whenever my scalp flares up, I always use this, and it always helps, and that is kind of why I'm going in with that. I've been having flare-ups of a dry scalp again. Once I went in the shower, I just rinsed my hair out a little bit, but of course, I went in with my shampoo shampoo to really get the oil out. You're definitely going to need to shampoo your hair a few times to really get all of the oil out. If you just shampoo your hair once and then dry your hair and style it, your hair is gonna look like a greasy mess and you're going to need to go back in the shower to shampoo again. So make sure you really get the oil out. It is a thick oil and you had it sit for so long, so just doing one time isn't going to make a difference. So I always shampoo a few times and really also massage my scalp when in the shower. And to follow it up, I go in with the conditioner and I really just apply it to the ends of the hair. I don't really apply conditioner to the scalp. The ends is what really needs love and is a lot more dry and where you'll find a lot of the split ends. So once I apply it to the ends of my hair, I just let it sit a couple of minutes before I rinse it completely out as well. But this has just been my shampoo and conditioner set, especially when my hair is just feeling super dry, which it's been feeling really dry lately. But like I said, I will have everything linked down below for you guys. But once I was able to shampoo and condition my hair out, I just allowed my hair to dry and styled it, and these are the results. I am actually really shocked with the results. I don't know what it is, but I feel like my hair looks longer, which is crazy because I just did one treatment and I recently just cut off a little bit off my end, so it's crazy to see how long it is right now. And on top of it, my hair just feels really soft. It's very smooth and there's a little bit of shine to it. I feel like some oils give it a little bit more shine, but overall, I absolutely love this oil. As you can see too, my scalp, the frizz is gone. And it's crazy because I've been really struggling with frizz and my hair was frizz free after this treatment. You can also tell that my ends are more sealed. You can't see the split ends as much. I am actually so shocked and happy with this because like I said, I never tried avocado oil treatment in my hair, and I have to say it is probably one of my new favorite oils to apply to my hair, and I'm definitely going to continue testing out and trying out avocado oil in the hair just because I love the overall results. It looks a lot more healthier. It felt amazing. I could go through my hair with my fingers no problem. It was so smooth. And overall, my favorite part, I have to say, is just my hair was frizz free. There wasn't even little flyaways, which was such a struggle. So I'm super happy with this. Let me know what you guys think. I will link down below my other hair videos because I have so many more videos like this. Don't forget to click the subscribe button. It would mean the world to me. I do post every Tuesday and Thursday. And on that note, I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye!